Hi everyone, I'm gonna do a giveaway, and what you see in this dish is going to be the giveaway. Now, there are lots and lots of goodies. There's all sorts, from these gorgeous little ribbons, bows, large, roses, pom-poms, more flowers. That was a rose I made the other day, so that hasn't been glued onto anything. I did try and glue it onto something and then changed my mind and whipped it off. But these are just all the spares that we've got everywhere. So we've collected them up. There's tiny little flowers, little bows. You can mix and match. You can take that off there, take that off there, whatever you want to do. Padded ones. Just whatever you want to do with them. Look, some padded ones. Little padded bows. Butterflies. Small ribbons, small flowers. It's just a bag of odds and sods. And I've got 2 of them. So I'm going to do a double giveaway. So that's just a little insight to what we have. So it's 2 bags similar to this. And all you have to do is to tell me what you would like me to do next as a tutorial. Do you want to see more flowers? Do you want me to use embossing powders? Do you want me to use make a miniature? You tell me what you want me to do, and I'll pick 2 winners, and these will be bagged up and sent on to you. Okay, so that's that. Now, in the shop we've got these back. Do you remember I make the brooches out of those? I normally do the round ones, but I've got the oval ones back in, so they're in stock. I know a lady's ordered them and we were waiting for them to come in. They've arrived. So sorry for your parcel being a few days late, but hey ho, they're here now. I've got small and large of these. These are stunning. They're just gorgeous. You can cut them all apart, so use individually. So we've got the embroidered ones. That's the large and that's the small. They are beautiful, really are. So we've got those. The leaves have come in. These are the green leaves. I'm afraid they're not the ones I had. We had the padded ones. These are not really padded. So they will be cheaper because they're not what I thought they were going to be. I tried another warehouse, and they're not what I thought they were going to be, like the ones I originally had. In the shop. And then this lace has come in as well, the little tassel lace. We've had it in before. I got it back in again. So that's what we've got. That one with the, I mean, these are ones I did. There's a video out that I've done where we use pearls to attach the pearls to these, and we'll make a brooch, a beaded brooch. And like I said, the leafy trims come in, but it won't be anywhere near what it was because I don't like it. It's not as good. I mean, it'll do the job, but it's not as good a quality as what we're used to selling, because we only sell top quality. Unfortunately, I won't be going back to that one, but I bought more than I needed. But there you go, hey ho. So I'll get that on the shop really, really cheap. I don't like to say cheap because we're not a cheap shop, but we're not expensive either. We're not. Oh, and I got these. Let me just share these. yeah, these were the little flowery ones, so they'll be on sale shortly. You'll get so many of those. Okay, so that's it for now. I will be coming back this afternoon. I am going to be doing a tutorial, and what else? I do have a flower that I'm going to make using that lace, and it's beautiful. I've also got here a full bag of leaves, and they're lots of colours, and they're made from you can see satin. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.